What is going on YouTube? Today I'm going to be going over GameStop and AMC stock and why I believe we are on the verge of another gamma squeeze. But before I do get into that, if you guys have been watching my videos and you haven't subscribed yet, what the heck are you guys doing? Make sure to go down and subscribe. And like I said in my last video, I am going to be doing a free giveaway for the To The Moon sunglasses. All you have to do is go follow me on X, Instagram, and TikTok. Basically, I'm on all platforms now. I haven't created my first video yet for Instagram and TikTok, but I will be posting that later today. So the links are in the description down below. Make sure to go follow me. And the day that I'm going to be doing the giveaway is on April 10th. So I'm giving you guys plenty of time to go and follow me. There's no rush. And I mean, within the next month, I do believe something crazy is going to happen with both of these stocks, mainly because Q4 earnings is around the corner. So the whole stock market was red once again. GameStop was down 3.5% at $24.20. And there was only 3 million shares traded. So the volume is extremely low yet again. And I mean, if we zoom out a little bit on the hourly chart, it looks like we got an inverse head and shoulders forming here. So we have this left shoulder here at $23.80. We have the head here at $23.44, which was close to Roaring Kitty's average price. And now we're getting the right shoulder here at $24.20, $4.20, exactly where we closed at today. And it's looking like we are going to get a bounce off this level. I am predicting it. Obviously, none of this is financial advice, but it would be perfect because if we go to AMC, it does look like we got a little inverse hammer on the daily chart. Obviously, we do have all these bearish indicators that are saying it's going to freaking back to all-time lows to $2.38, and it is possible, obviously, if the market continues to crash. If this inverse hammer candle doesn't give us a little bullish reversal, and if this inverse head and shoulders doesn't play out like I'm hoping it does, then AMC can see $2.50 once again. GameStop can see $20 once again, and we could go back all the way down to that $20 level. It is possible, guys. It is extremely possible if the market keeps crashing, and we're just gonna have to see what the hell happens, because it's been crashing over the past week. Just in the past 2 weeks, the SPY has dropped from $613 down to $570. It hasn't been this low literally since November, before the election of last year. So the whole stock market is crashing pretty hard right now. At this point in time, GameStop and AMC can go in either direction. The biggest catalyst that we have coming up is Q4 of 2024. I believe that is when they are going to release the news that they invested into crypto and they freaking pocketed a bunch of money, and Ryan Cohen loves Trump because of that. We're just going to have to see what the hell happens, though. James Rowland said, very explosive setup for GameStop, back above the daily/weekly triggers. Let's see if market allows for it. This guy said 2 daily velocity divergences should be free money if we can mount back above. We'll very likely enter a position if we do. So GameStop is going to have to climb a couple of dollars to get back above those daily/weekly triggers. And, at this point in time, it's really iffy. We still got a couple more weeks until Q4 of 2024 comes out. That's the biggest catalyst we got. Until then, GameStop is really going to follow the market. It was a red day for the whole market. GameStop followed the whole market down 3%. But I still do believe we can make a reversal off this level. The whole market is crashing. GameStop's staying at $24. AMC did not make a lower low today. It was only down 1%, hit a low of $2.98, and we could have got that double bottom that I was calling out here at $2.95. But, like I said, if the market keeps crashing, it's possible. It's possible we go back down. We're just going to have to see how this plays out. This guy said out of 2.8 million volume today for GME, 1.5 million has been routed off exchange. What a freaking joke. So these sick bastards, over half of the volume today was off exchange. Someone is going to burn in hell. And, they want us to forget about GameStop and AMC. They want us to pretend nothing happened in 2021. But the truth is, pressure has been building for 4 years, going on 5 years now, ever since this explosion. And they are trying to control it. They are trying to stop it from happening Again, the real question is, are they able to stop it? Are they going to stop it? Or are we just going to get another MOAS? In my opinion, I think we're going to get another MOAS. I think history is going to repeat itself once again, not only for GameStop, but for AMC. And obviously that freaking reverse split screwed over a lot of people, but everyone has had plenty of time to buy the dip if they really wanted to. If, you still want to go down that route, AMC is still a gamma squeeze play at this point in time. I would stay away from the word short squeeze for AMC right now. The short interest isn't crazy, but a gamma squeeze is definitely possible. The on-balance volume is still at all-time highs. Yes, it has gone down a little bit over the past month since the dilution, but it's still chilling at all-time highs compared to what it was at back in 2021 when it freaking squeezed to all-time highs. But yeah, I mean, the short interest is completely dead for AMC. I mean, it's dead. Who the hell is going to want to be shorting AMC at $3? It doesn't make sense. AMC is near all-time lows, yet the company is performing the best it has performed since before the pandemic back in 2020. So you got to look at it like that. How is AMC trading at all-time lows when the company is just doing the best it's been doing in a very long time? I mean, it's breaking records, and it's going to continue to break records as more movies come out. It's not a dying business, that is for sure. Let's end the video off with some tinfoil hat theory. We need some of this in our system. This guy said GameStop huge tinfoil Mario on March 10th. So March 10th falls on next Monday. Next Monday will be March 10th. This guy said, check the first attached pic. This tweet was posted by Vice President of GameStop Customer Service. It has the 5 emojis from Roaring Kitty's 35 emojis in the same sequence. You can't find them anywhere else. This tweet was posted at 7:41 in her time zone on March 10th, saying this day is the best. This tweet was a 1-year anniversary of March 10th, 2021, when GameStop spiked again and was about to MOAS, but it was stopped using swap cycles. Now look at the second attached pic, Roaring Kitty's tweet from March 8th of 2021. It has the 69/420 and the time is 300. Everything that Time magazine referred to. 300 days from May 12th of 2024 is March 8th of 2025. Again, it's a Mario game and the text says you have been transformed. We can't ignore so many clues. I believe either Roaring Kitty returns this weekend or Ryan Cohen will give some news which will start the squeeze on Mario Day next week. Then it will continue till the earnings. So I mean, this is some pretty freaking solid tinfoil if I've ever heard it. This tweet was back on Mario Day, March 10th. This girl said Mario Day with the best. And then we got these bastards freaking pretending to be Mario and all them. And this was Roaring Kitty's tweet on March 8th of 2021. As you guys see, we have the 420, the 69, the 300. He's pointing out the 300. And then we have a question mark on the far right side. So I mean, this is some pretty crazy tin. I don't even know how this guy even thought of this. But this is absolutely insane. I just freaking injected myself with some tinfoil hat theory for the day. That felt amazing. But that is going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did make it to the end of the video and you haven't subscribed yet, what the hell are you guys doing? Make sure to go down and subscribe. It has been pretty boring over the past couple of weeks. The stock market is just crashing and crashing and crashing. Doesn't look like it's going to end anytime soon. But we have found some support on AMC here at $3. GameStop as well at $24. We're literally right at Roaring Kitty's average price. So it would make sense for GameStop to bounce off this level and for AMC to follow as well. But I will keep you guys updated on what happens with GameStop and AMC stocks, so make sure to stay tuned on my channel. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. As y'all know, I'm buying the dip.
Here we go, come on, push it, buying the dip.